So here we will discuss how we can use logical functions if and a combination of if with and or functions. These functions are used to get a true or false value. We give a condition. If it is true, we can do something, and if it is false, we can do something else. Let's start with if. Here is a table which shows students and their marks. They have obtained marks in different subjects and the total marks. We will decide using if a student has less than 300 marks, he is fail, and if more than 3, he is pass. Let's start. Equal to if, okay, and the total marks, select this cell. If the total marks are less than 300, comma, if this condition is fulfilled, means numbers are total marks are less than 300, what to do? Print fail. Otherwise, pass. Here, Excel will check the condition. If total marks are less than 300, okay, it will print here false, fail, otherwise pass. You can use any word, you can print anything, you can have any condition here, greater than, equal to, less than, not equal to, anything you can use it. So press enter. You can see the total marks are more than 300, so it is he is pass. Double click to expand to all the cells. You can see here marks are less than 300, therefore fail. Less than 300, fail. Let's change here. We can change this value to 296. Look, it is fail. So this if function is logical function is very useful, but it does not allow the different conditions to combine. Therefore, we can use this if condition with and condition and a logical function. Actually, it is a logical function. If you are electronics or computer student, you will know what are the logical gates: if, and, sorry, and, or, nor. So these are and or functions. They are the same actually. They return, and function only return the value true or false. If the provided condition is fulfilled, it will return true, and if it is not fulfilled, it will return false. We will use it with the combination of if to display some text in a required column. Here is another set of data where product names apple, banana, sugar, oil, meat, chicken are there. Their prices are written here. Their quality is also written here: good, bad, like this. So we have to take decision. If the price of the product is less than let's say 40 rupees or dollars, and its quality is good, then buy. Otherwise, do not buy. If price is more than 40 and quality is whatever is the quality, don't buy. Means both the conditions should be fulfilled. Means quality should be good and price should be less than 40, then it will buy, otherwise no. Okay, let's start. So first we will start the if function. Within the if, we will use and, if bracket start and, because and allows us to use more than one conditions. If does not allow this. And we will say quality. Select the quality cell. If the quality is equal to inverted comma start good, because good is written there, so we have to give good in inverted commas. It is a text, it is not a number, comma. The second condition, the price, like the price cell, is less than 40. So two conditions are provided. So and function is used to check two conditions. If quality is good and price is less than 40, then what will do? And function will pass this condition result to if. So if the result of and will be true, then what will happen? Buy the product. So buy we will write in the inverted commas. Otherwise again inverted comma start, don't buy. Okay, so bracket close. What will happen? And condition will, and will you check the conditions? If the quality is good and price is less than 1, it will pass this result of this condition to if the result is okay, means true, then buy will be printed, otherwise don't buy will be printed. Press here. Look, the here the product quality is good, but its price is more than 40. We want both conditions to be checked. Therefore, we are not buying it. Let's expand this expansion to this formula to remaining. Here, look, the quality is good and price is also less than 40. Therefore, we are buying. Quality is good, price less than 40, we are buying. Here, price is less than 40, but the quality is bad. That's why we are not buying. Hope you will be it will be clear to you how we can use and if. Okay, now move to and or functions together. Here we have again a result of some subjects, math, science, English, art. We want to check if a student has taken minimum 40 marks in all the subjects, then he is pass, not total. I'm not in first sheet I showed you if total is more than 40. Here I want to check all subjects should be more than 40, then pass. If one subject is less than 40, then student is fail. Okay, let's start with with if function, and within if we will use or. In or, what is the difference between and or? In and means both the condition should be true. For example, I want to eat burger and chips, means I want both. Otherwise, I can say I want tea or coffee, means I want either tea or coffee. I don't want both. If any is available, I'm fine. So this is the difference. Or okay, let's start with the first logic. If art subject, let's say arts number are less than 40, comma, English marks are less than 40, comma, science marks are less than 40, comma, maths number are less than 40. Okay, so we have checked all the numbers. If anyone is less, this less or this less or this less, what to do? Start bracket start. If any of the marks are less, then what we will do? We will print fail. Here the f function is starting. If function is starting, the value r function will pass value to if will print whether if it is true, condition is true, it will print fail, means any of the subject is less than 40, it will print fail, otherwise it will print pass. Okay, here you can see all the subjects, their score is more than 40, so he is pass. Let's expand to other cells. Here in this subject less than 40, rest plus more than 40, he is fail. Here these two and these three, it is he is less than 40, therefore he is fail, although here he has 90. So this is the way we can use if with or, if with and.